Good evening everyone. Today I, Nishant Singh, I will be giving a lecture on the topic that is terrorism. So before beginning, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of terrorism. Terrorism, it is an act which shatters the peace of a specific nation or a specific part of the country into pieces. It can be stated that anything that makes a country unstable or kills people or it injures people in any way, it is known as terrorism. So we are all aware about various organizations like Al-Qaeda, Mujahideen, also ISIS and various other organizations that are known as terrorist organizations. So first of all, let me tell you why terrorist activities or these terrorist organizations are born. First is in the name of religion. Like most of the terrorist organizations like Al-Qaeda, Mujahideen, Jaish-e-Mohammed, these have an ideology that they want to spread Islam all over the country. Mostly Jaish-e-Mohammed is active in Jammu and Kashmir, and they have an ideology that they want to kill all the kafirs that are present in Jammu and Kashmir. So we can say that in the name of religion, these terrorist organizations are born. Second is to capture more land or to attain autonomous region. As I want to again state an example of Jaish-e-Mohammed, they want to capture the whole Jammu and Kashmir region because they consider that region as their own. Also, many of the terrorist organizations that are active in northeastern regions like Naga rebellion forces, all these they consider the whole northeastern part of India as their own, and they want to capture it. So this is why they are spreading terrorism, and just in the name, because they consider a part or piece of a land as their own. And the various decisions or the various things that can be done to counter all these terrorist activities. The first is to stop their funding, to stop the funding of the terrorist organization. As like after the 1971 war ended, 31 terrorist organizations came to end because they were not receiving funds from the Pakistan. So first is that we must stop their funding, and second is that we must make the people aware. As like in Jammu and Kashmir, most of the people that are present in Jammu, they don't want to be a part of terrorist activities because they know that India is a good for them, whereas Pakistan, it is just going to use them for their own good. And third is that we must do development in the areas that are hit by terrorism. Like Naxalism is present in most of the regions of Orissa and Andhra Pradesh, also in Bihar and Jharkhand. So we can see that also the development, it is not up to the mark in these states, and I think that is the main reason why these terrorist organizations are flourishing. And talking about Jammu and Kashmir Valley, it is having terrorism, whereas Jammu Valley, it is not having as much terrorism as it was earlier. And I think that terrorism, and I think that development, it is the main reason why there are less terrorist activities. So in the end, I would like to say that people must not take arms and ammunition just because they don't like a specific government, and also government must take action so that they can provide their benefits, and policies also provide incentives to the people so that they don't take up activities that are going to shatter the peace and harmony of the nation. So that is all. Thank you.